Hello my beautiful people, how una dey? Una get Fashion World TV. Today video I wan show una my chicken. I wan prepare sauce, chicken sauce. This one na my curry, my thyme, my nutmeg, my Maggi cube, and my paprika pepper, the green and the red and the yellow, and my tomatoes. I wan use am prepare yummy chicken sauce. Oya, mona come, we prepare this delicious meal together, this delicious recipe together. The chicken is already prepared. This one are ready to eat. Yummy. Mona come eat. Mona come join me. More flesh with our mouth and our Guinness. I'm flexing things. So thanks for watching this video, my beautiful people. See you now for my next video. Bye bye. Love you. My mouth. I want to use this mouth to step down this delicious chicken. This is the onions.